You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in British English. It's usually pronounced as captivating. Captivating? If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos. I'll link to a few at the end of this one. Now, in American English, in the US, the pronunciation is usually more as captivating. With a flap T, that sounds like a D, captivating. Or British English, UK pronunciation, how to pronounce captivating. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.